array wire technique. Not bad for some coat hangers. I was using the coat hanger to do all this stuff right here. Most of the stuff you see there. But if you notice, it sticks. It's metal. It goes on there. You know, I don't want to use all that rod just to practice with, and I got these coat hangers. I might as well just use them. You get some of that splatter coming off and everything, but I mean, it's good to practice with. You can see it sticks on there. I know it's not the best thing to be doing, but it's something I figured. I got tons of coat hangers, and I don't have tons of. It was like $50 for the TIG welding rod for like 10 pounds. I figure if I could practice with the coat hangers, but then I'm thinking to myself, it leaves good enough beads that it might even be able to weld, you know, certain things that you're not going to base, you know, you're not going to risk your life on. But I mean, it stays hard. I thought that was something interesting. I've never seen anyone do that before, so I just thought it was interesting. There's my new torch. High frequency using the Everlast. Anyways, thanks for watching my video. Comment, rate, subscribe.